Welcome to the MRT subway. Attention, the earthquake tremors are increasing. Move the train to Metropolis Square after the
We have reports of severe tremors in the main subway. Proceed with caution. Continue to Metropolis Station as quickly as you can. Tunnel collapse is imminent. 8 seconds to cave in. All cabs. Keep away from Metropolis Station. This is a disaster.
We need urgent help with the MRT. The whole place is caving in from an earthquake. Cop 44, come!
Don't worry, folks. There's only one way out of this mess. Heads back. I'll push you out of here.
Oh boy.
Fast.
Oh no.
Superman fast.
Oh no. That was awesome. That was great. Wow. Superman. No, you're good.